All of you, welcome back to course Artificial Intelligence. Our today's topic of video is Introduction to Knowledge Based System. So in the previous videos we discuss about expert system. We understand what is expert system. Then we discuss about how to, what are the steps that we need to follow in order to develop a expert system. Then we discuss about the knowledge base. We discuss about the knowledge base, how to design that knowledge base. Then we discuss about knowledge acquisition process, and now in today's video we are going to discuss about knowledge based system. Now in that case, many students may have confusion that what is the difference between knowledge based system and the expert system, whether both are same or different. So let me clarify your doubt. Actually, knowledge based system is a superset, or you can say it's a superset, and expert system is a subset of knowledge based system. Right, what I am saying again, listen carefully. Expert system is a subset of knowledge based system. Okay, so here you can see knowledge based system is having expert system as well as intelligent system. So I told you that there are two main types of systems are there. One is a expert system and second one is a intelligent system. So all these two system will be the part of the knowledge based system. So in that sense I am telling you knowledge based system is a broader concept. Obviously it is a part of AI is a very broad field under which knowledge based system comes, but under this knowledge based system we have expert system as well as the intelligent system. Now we need to understand what exactly the difference between the knowledge based system and the expert system. So we understand one thing, that in case of expert system, it's a computer program which is used to solve a complex problem but by using domain specific knowledge. This is important point to note about expert system. It make use of domain specific knowledge. And how can we define knowledge based system, or you can say intelligent system? It is that computer program which also solve a complex problem but by using generalized knowledge. Okay, it's a computer program that uses a knowledge base to solve a complex problem. So this is the difference between knowledge based system and the expert system. Expert system make use of domain specific knowledge, whereas knowledge based system make use of generalized knowledge to solve a problem. In the previous videos I have given an example between the MBBS doctor and the orthopedic doctor. Orthopedic doctor is having expertise in the field of orthopedics, but MBBS doctor is a generalized doctor who can also solve the problem of general disease also, diabetes also, orthopedic also. But if you want specific expertise in the specific domain, then you should go for orthopedic. So that is what the difference you need to understand between the expert system and knowledge based system, because overall the component of the both the systems are same. So we discussed what are the component of expert system. There is a knowledge base, inference engine and user interface. So user interface and inference engine both are same in case of knowledge based system and expert system. Only change is that knowledge base is a most important part of knowledge based system or expert system. In case of expert system we are storing the domain specific knowledge in the knowledge base, whereas in case of knowledge based system we are storing the generalized knowledge. This is what the main difference between the knowledge based system and the expert system, because most of the time you may get confused between the knowledge based system and expert system. So expert system is also one of the type of knowledge based system, but it is targeting the specific. That means orthopedic doctor is also considered as a doctor, right? So this is a thing. So this is an important thing that you should know. Now let's discuss in detail what is knowledge based system, because already we understand what is expert system, what are its component, how it works and so on. Now in today's video we are going to discuss about knowledge based system. So we define what is knowledge based system. So it's a computer program that uses a knowledge base to solve a complex problem. This is what an important thing. Expert system is also going to solve complex problem. Knowledge based system also going to solve the complex problem, but the difference is that expert system make use of domain specific knowledge, whereas knowledge based system make use of generalized knowledge base. This is what important thing. And again we can say it's a program that captures or uses the knowledge from variety of sources, not only the one person but you can access multiple sources. That is important. So that knowledge based system assists not only in the problem solving but also in a decision making learning and other various activities. So knowledge based system scope is wider as compared to expert system. No matter expert system is a part of knowledge based system, but the scope of the knowledge based system is we can say wide. Why it is so? Because it has knowledge base, generalized knowledge base, not specific to single domain. So it was first developed by AI researchers. So KBS was we can say it's a rule based expert system. So you can have example Mycene. We can also say that Mycene is a example of that knowledge based system, because ultimately it's an expert system, not an issue that it's a domain specific, right? So we can say Mycene uses for a medical diagnosis. It is also considered as a knowledge based system, because expert system is a subset of knowledge based system, right? Then knowledge based system is a more general than expert system. I told you earlier that expert system is targeting the specific domain, let's say medical domain, insurance domain, finance domain, whereas knowledge based system is more general, just like a MBBS doctor and the orthopedic doctor, right? Now next is, what are the components of knowledge based system? So it has same component as that of expert system. First of all, there is a user who interact with the knowledge base by using user interface interact with the inference engine. Engine is responsible for fetching the knowledge from the knowledge base by using if there is kind of rules or reasoning, by using specific reasoning. Inference engine is responsible for fetching the knowledge from the knowledge base and provided it to the user with the help of that particular user interface. And here you have shown that knowledge base is formed with the help of knowledge engineering. Knowledge engineering help us to formulate the knowledge base, because knowledge acquisition also play a very important role. By using knowledge acquisition, you are developing this knowledge base. So these are the components of knowledge based system, which are similar as that of expert system. Now the next thing is knowledge based system. So this knowledge base, what that knowledge base consists of, it can store the different rules, it can store different objects, different attributes, different hypotheses, relationships, definitions, events, process, fact and heuristic. So knowledge base is a generalized one. It's a generalized database which stores huge knowledge, and that knowledge you can use to solve different problems. So what are the different people involved in the knowledge base system? So knowledge engineer play a very important role. Knowledge engineer is responsible for extracting the knowledge from various sources and storing it in the knowledge base. So there we required a knowledge engineer. We also required a domain expert, because we have seen that expert system also part of the knowledge base system. So if you want to develop a if you want to develop expert system, in that case we require domain expert who is having expertise in a particular domain. So these are two people involved in knowledge based system. One is a knowledge engineer who is responsible for extracting the knowledge, and domain expert is also there. Domain expert is a person who is provide the expertise knowledge in the specific domain to that knowledge engineer, so that knowledge engineer can store it in the knowledge base, and then you can use it to solve various problems. So this is what a concept of knowledge based system. So I hope you are clear with the concept of knowledge based system, and you also come to know that how it is different from expert system. Thank you.